Hello, friends. I'm very happy to announce that CP Academy has launched a new course called as Java Programming Language. The students who are eagerly waiting to learn any programming language, for you, this is the best opportunity to grasp the knowledge. So, in this, we are going to learn about the programming language which is having high demand in the current market. Okay, so the basic beginners, even the absolute beginners from the scratch, if you do not know what a programming language is, please don't worry. You will get each and every definitions, you will get each and every brief descriptions about what is programming language, what are the different types of programming language, why Java is preferred to be the highest among the other programming languages. Each and every topic will be covered here. So there is no problem for the scratch people who are been learning. So for the beginners, it is very easy to learn. Okay. So in this program, we are going to cover lots of topics. So this is the basic things which we are going to cover in our Java programming course. You will be able to know what is Java and why do we need Java. What are the differences between the different programming languages and Java? Why do we call the language as Java? From where it has been originated, who has developed it, and how we should run a program, how we should write a program. Do we need any tools to execute it, or do we need any other third party things to execute? So, these all questions will be clarified here. If we are using any tool, so how we should install it, how we should set up it to write a program. These all will be covered. So there is no problem if you do not know about any programming language. Next, even features will be explained in detail. So you many people might think, why can't we learn C? Why can't we learn C++? Yes, every programming language has its advantages and disadvantages and features also. So here we will know what are the Java features and why it is the most high preferred language. Okay. Now in this Java language, what are the things which I have to know? So basic terminologies like objects, classes, input output handling, comments, variables, and different topics. Each and every topic will be clearly explained to you, and you will be able to write a program once you complete this course. Not only a program, you will be able to develop a particular Java application. So, this is for the absolute beginners as well as for the students who have basic knowledge in Java also. Okay, we'll know each and every concept as you can see on the screen. I have mentioned few basic topics. Okay, that might be on data types, variables, operators, keywords and identifiers, typecasting, everything. Next, we'll be learning about conditionals or looping statements. What are these? Why do we need these? So, for writing a sample program or for writing a simple program, we require these looping statements. So, I will go in detail when the course has been getting started. So, there's no problem if you do not know it now. Okay. We have next topic as methods and functions, arrays and strings, OOPS concepts, Java IO, file handling, Java packages, Java interfaces, Java exception handling. Many students do not know what is file handling, what is a package, what is an interface, what is an exception handling. So please don't worry, all the topics will be clearly explained to you, and even the questions which will be related to the interviews also will be discussed here. So please don't worry about it. So now let me give me a brief description about what is Java and what are its applications and where are we going to use it. So I have listed out few applications here, that is mobile applications, desktop applications, web servers and application servers, games. So most of the people know about games, right? So we'll speak about game. So basically, a programming language is nothing but a software where it acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. Okay, so now many of the students play PUBG, right? So that is a software. So that software is made up of some programming language. So the basically that programming language could be anything. Okay, in the current market right now we are developing websites, that is the applications, on Java only. Most of us see Amazon, Netflix, AHA, many of the OTT platforms, right? Those are all developed in Java. Okay, I'll give you the examples also where the Java is used and how it is used. So please don't worry about it. Next, I have given you few points that why I should learn Java. Why can't I learn C? Why can't I learn C++? Why can't I learn Python? Why can't I learn other language? So these are the basic things. Okay. So Java is not mandatory to one platform. It might work on different platforms. Now, what is a platform? That's a question mark. So in a laptop, we have Windows operating system, right? We have Linux operating system. So the platform changes. So those are called as platforms. Okay. I have shown you the examples, that is Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and there are many other platforms. Okay. So now why we are using Java and what is its main functionality and what is its main advantage to use it? So it is easy to learn and simple to use. Okay, once you are able to write a program, you will know why is it easy. Okay, and it is an open source and free language. Here you don't have any subscription for writing a Java program. Easily you can write a Java program. Okay, even a small person, like a small student from a ninth class or a 10th class, can easily write a Java program. Okay, next, it has very secure and fast also. When you are running an application, see now when you're opening a Netflix app, so it definitely gives you at the fast mode, right? Once you open a Netflix, automatically you can see the screen and you can select your movies. So that is called as a fast. Okay, and it is very secure. Once you have your OTP, that is your username and your password, the other person cannot access it. So that is called as security here. Okay, and many people are using this Java. Okay, many developers for many applications, this Java is used. So that is why this is large demand in the current job market. Okay, for you people, I'll give you a sample example. See, a Java program will be like public static void main string args. Okay, when inside you can write your language. Okay, so this is about Java. Here you can put it in a class. Okay, class A under you. Okay, and here this is under class. So this is how you should align your code. Okay, so this is the basic structure. Here you should be able to write system dot out dot println of hello world. Okay, so this is how a basic Java program looks like. Okay, this class, what is a class, what is public, what is static, what is void, what is main, everything will be explained in detail. For you to have an idea, I'm telling you that class is a container. Okay, this is a container which holds some values in it. Okay, those values are this. I'm showing you on the screen, please watch it. Class A is a container which contains some values in it. Here you can even write like int A equal to 10. So this is one value, right? So this is also valid here. Now even I can write as int, sorry, float B equal to 10.0. So this is also a valid point. Okay, we will speak whether these all are valid. See, these are the values which you can give it in your class. So these are the values which will be stored in your class name called as A. So this is the container. Okay, got a clarity? So now, what is the difference for the other language? See, for the other language, for example, if I take C slash include stdio dot h, and then I have to write my main function. Okay, and then I have to write printf for printing something. Okay, and then I have to close it. So here, to print a basic thing like a string hello world, I should import a package called as stdio.h, that is standard input and output. IO means standard input and output package. So without this package, you will not be able to use printf. So this is the basic difference which you can see in a programming language. This is Java programming, okay, and this is C programming. Okay. For your clarification, could you see? So this is about Java and this is about C. So this is the basic syntax where you can write your program. Okay. I'll even tell you what are the basic questions will be asked for you if you're going for an interview. Okay. Why we are using this slash include here and why not we are using here. Every difference will be taught to you. So please don't worry. Don't worry that what is public, what I have kept here. No, just for now, just check that this is the basic syntax for a program. That's it. In depth, we will go later. Okay. So now, once you know the format, you should know how to execute the Java program. For this, I need VS Code editor. Okay. I need VS Code editor. So in this VS Code editor, I am going to write a Java program. A Java program, debug it. Okay. Debug it and run it. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to write a Java program and we are going to debug and run it. Now I'll show you in live how a Java program looks like. See, I've already installed Visual Studio for now. When the class starts, I will tell you how to install it. Okay, wait a minute. So for installation, you can just put Visual Studio for code for Java. Okay, you can put it like this. Okay, you can see your Java in Visual Studio getting started with Java. Go with the first link. Okay, install your Java here. You will be installing the code pack for Java. Okay, now once this is installed, you can see your Visual Studio opening. Okay, so this is how it's gonna open. Sorry for the disturbance. Yes. So this is how your Visual Studio looks like. This is one of the editor where you can write your own files. See, new file, okay, text file, I can write anything. I can write anything. Okay, so I can write hello world. This is just a text file. So basically the file looks like this. But now, once I have installed using this link, okay, this link, the Visual Studio will ask you for create Java project. Okay, here you can create your own project. See, once I click on it, you can see a Dropbox, right? Here you have many tools. These are all the tools which we are going to use for Java. But for now, let us go for the beginning. That is no build tools. Select it and then it will ask you for a folder location. Just select as desktop. Select it. Now you have to give your demo project name. Okay, that is your project name. Demo project name. Okay, click enter. Okay, click enter. You can see the basic structure of Java project has been given here. src contains of Java app.java. Okay, lib contains nothing. VS Code contains of settings.json. Here it gives you some details. What are these details? Source path, what is output path, what is referenced libraries. So these all will be discussed later. Okay, so this is a JSON file. Now in src, if you go for app.java, here you can see that there is a class, right? I have already showed you. You'll have a class A. Okay, here you can see that it is class app. Next, I have shown you here already that we are going to write public static void main string args. So this is how it is going to come. Okay, public static void main string args. What is throws exception? This is about exception handling concept. For now, if you do not know about this, just leave it. Okay, this is not mandatory for now. Now, system.out.println. Here you can give your string which you want to print. Okay. Now, once you have completed writing your program, here you can see a play button type, right? Here there is a drop down. Run Java, debug Java. Directly I'm going to run Java. See, it has installed few libraries, right? You have seen here there was an installation of few libraries when I clicked Java. Now here is the output. Okay. So now if I change here like hello students, okay, and if I run it, Hello, students. This is how you're gonna see your output in your Java program. So this is how you have to create a project or a file. Okay, if you want to create a new file, if you don't want app.java, you have few ways. One, go for the file. You can click on new file. Okay, whatever file you want. See, new Java file, new Java project, click on new Java file. Okay, so whether it will be asking you for a class, interface, enum, and all this. Now I want a class. So I'm just putting a class name that is test. Okay, so test.java has been created with the class name called as test. So many people will have a doubt that whether the class name should be same with the file name. Yes, okay, and even the class name should start with few things, like there are some rules. Now I can't write like this app. No, this is invalid. You can see there is an error here, right? Why? Because every class name should start with a capital letter. Okay, so here if I change it to test, this will show you an error. So if I put it a capital letter, there is no error. So these are the basic things. In the course, each detail will be given. How we should write a class name, when we are going to use public. If there is no public, also no problem for us. Okay, without public, we can execute it. See, you have seen it, right? Hello, students. Without public, also I can execute the program. See, okay. So this is how you're going to create your Java program or your Java project. Okay, you have got a clarity here. So this is all about the details, the brief description about the Java programming language. Still you're getting any doubts or you have anything else you want to rectify, just contact me. Okay, just contact the CP Academy. You will get my number from there. Okay, and this Java program is for the absolute beginners only. So please don't worry. If you do not know about a programming language, no problem. You will be having the grasping knowledge on the Java. Okay, you can grasp all these topics. All these topics will be given to you in detail. Okay, even there will be few assignments, few projects. Okay, and I'll give you few quizzes also where you can solve each and every problem. Okay, I'll give you quizzes on these class names. I'll give you about this string args. I'll teach you about what is string, what is args, what is system out.println. Everything will be taught. Once the course has been completed, you will be able to recognize a Java program, write a Java program, not only a program but also an application also. Okay, so please don't hesitate. So this is the best opportunity where you can grasp knowledge. Okay, so this Java programming language will be the best programming language for you. This is in high demand right now in the market. So please have some focus on your career and just grasp it. Thank you.